This video is about your line cooler and the accessories that you'll receive in the box. Packaging looks like this. Keep the box, always a good idea. Does have a 1-year product warranty. Now inside the line cooler you're going to receive 3 sets of cables. One is an AC cable, just to plug directly into the wall. And you're going to receive this charging pack. So simply connect, just very standard. That goes in the wall, this goes into the line cooler. Secondly, you're going to receive a 12-volt connector to put inside the cigarette socket inside your car, your vehicle, your 4x4, and this goes into the line cooler. So that's the second cable. And the third one, this is an option. This is a solar rechargeable cable that fits to a solar panel. We'll talk about that in another video. So that's the third cable. That's an option, that's not critical to operate the freezer, the line cooler, the fridge. Very important to use your product warranty registration card. Go online to acopower.com and register your warranty immediately. Very important to get the support that you need. And the last thing inside the line cooler is the user manual. Section 4, page 4. Very important, one of the most common questions is about power operation and recharging the battery, which we will go into in another video. So those are the things you're going to receive in your line cooler package.